Ooh, I got a box from vintagejetski.com, my favorite. Do not use blades to open. No problem. That was easy. Oh, heck yes, boys. Looks like I got some jet trim going. I don't know if you can guess what this is for, but for something I own. Oh, get around to this, huh? The mat. We got some mat. I think it's about 10 below zero out there. I might just be able to sneak out and do some work. This is my chin pad for the 750. It's chewed up, it's round, it's long, it's stupid. This is a newer style SXR one. I'm gonna shape this old one down so it's the same shape as the newer style. So I marked it kind of where it's different. Gonna cut all that marker area and back is coming off. Jetski Brothers, we get it right the third time. You know, see this line, maybe you do. That's kind of where the new style goes to. All this back part, cut that off. At least I hope so. I just eyeballed it once. So eyeball it once, cut 8 times. That's what I always say. You got these people watching you on YouTube. If you screw up, it's on there. It's kind of sometimes feels like having your boss watching you work. I just watched some jet trim video the other day they put up. They're doing Harry Gocher's ski that Pro Watercraft did for them. Pretty cool. Anybody listen to the Harry Gocher Vintage Jet Ski podcast? If anybody doesn't know, this Vintage Jet Ski has podcasts. They're all pretty good, and you guys check it out if you care about like that type of stuff. All right, you big fat fart, just come off of there. If this worked horribly, I guess you guys all know. All right, check out. We're gonna use the flapper wheel and we're gonna just shape it. All right, we're gonna shape the shape. All right, I think I'm gonna find another film location, boys. Oh yeah, here we go. This is where stuff gets messed up. We have a decent finish on our reshaping. It's a little bit cupped out in the back because I screwed it up a little bit, but we do, I think, have about the right shape for this thing now. So, how do you like that, huh? Okay, it's not bolted down. Let's pretend it's bolted down. Okay, she's bolted down, yep. Jet Trim was sweet enough to give us these cute little fire extinguisher block-off kits. Beautiful. It's like 40 degrees out here right now. And that's in American degrees. Boom. Probably just take this thing. Come on, baby. Come on, you big fat fart. It's grabbing it. And it's just like magic. It's on there. Look, it's done. Wow. Easy breezy. All right, so I decided this is what the mats look like. And I'm not gonna go for gluing those on unless I find a warmer place to do it, or a place that's out of the cold. So let me give you an idea of the temperatures here. All right, this is the type of temperature that I'm in right now. I'm gonna head over to Josh and slip into his garage and see if I can get enough heat to do some jet trim. All right.
So Milo and myself were hanging out in the garage, and Jacob pops his head in and he goes, "Hey, I got to do some jet trim on my 750 SXI. Do you think there's room in the garage I could pop in there, do some of the work? I think it's too cold outside to do the glue stuff." I'm going, yeah, go ahead and back your truck down. I think we can make a spot for you to get some work done in here. I said to Jacob, I think I heard a sound when you pulled in like you might have hit something. And he looked at me with kind of like a Jacob smile and a grin, and in his Jacob words, he said, "You'll see what happened when you edit the video." So, yeah, fair enough. I guess I'll see what happens when I edit the video. So while Jacob's backing his truck down to the garage, I'm going to go ahead and take Milo down to the house so we can hang out with Mama, because I think the glue stuff that Jacob's using has some kind of gnarly fumes, and we don't want this little guy breathing in that.
Me and Dad did.
We don't get to have nice things very often.
No, not often.
This ski's gonna be just beautiful.
It is. I ran the bilge pump because this thing had water in it. Yeah. Pretty cool, huh? I'm so glad I'm in a nice heated garage. It's time for me to do the tray. So, yeah, so you're supposed to put like this crap on the bottom, let it sit for a while. Nobody's watching this for instructions. You're watching this because you watched the Jetski Brothers videos. Yeah, okay. I get it. Yeah, Jacob gets it too. Well, how you guys doing? Is your stuff, your build's going very good? I'm putting paint on this thing. Boom, boom, boom. Let's do this a very middle of the roads kind of crappy job. Jacob. I gotta say, upholstery is a nice little way to make your build way nicer. Alright, we're closing in on the end of it here. Who here is a perfectionist? Raise your hand or say it in the bottom in the comments. Alright, gotta center this baby up. Ooh, maybe it's good that I like kind of didn't do it. I didn't let it dry as much as I could have. Well, hopefully I get lots of this glue all over the nice side that you're probably supposed to tape off. That's probably what every smart person would tell you to do. I love paint. Because, maybe I like it. Now, those two are definitely, I'm pretty sure, going to be the easiest. And the side ones are going to be hard because they got all the complicated fold around this crap. They got these complicated angles on the front. Because it's, even in here, it's warm, but it's probably not as warm as it should be to do this.
I'm in here doing camera for Jacob. I'm like the cameraman.
Yep.
And boy, that stuff he's like painting on there, oh, smells so...
It smells so good.
I have like this headache from being in here, but yeah, good, sure.
Here's the thing. If you don't get it in the right spot, then the overlap won't be right, and you'll have like hangover in weird spots. And, you know, yeah.
Holy cow, it's beautiful. I'm not sure if I popped in to say hi yet on this video, but I am here.
This is Josh's house, actually.
And this is Jacob's beautiful ski. And there's one slight problem. I'm worried that overnight, when this ski gets left here overnight, that something's gonna happen to it.
Yeah.
I'm worried the sea rat is gonna get hungry and eat the ski.
which would be fine. It would mean this thing's power would go into the C-Rat, right? And it would get 70 more horsepower.
I got this great little video of the C-Rat that some of you may not have seen, so I'm gonna go ahead and play that little video right now.
C-Rat will bring you to your knees before God because you're gonna be full speed, and then kneeling is your only chance at not eating it. The C-Rat will get you a lot closer to your maker.
That was a fun little video, and you got to see the C-Rat demolish some other skis and drag races. It has won everything that we put it up against so far, even the DASA Swap 650, triple swapped Yamaha Superjet. What else has it beaten? Let's see, that 760 Superjet. You saw it in the video, beat both of those fast 550s. One was a 640 550 and one was a 550 440 pump. And it's drag raced and won a whole bunch of other stuff too. But this video is more about the 750 SXI, so let's get back to that now.
Oh my gosh. Look at it, boys. Okay. What do you guys think? It looks pretty good, right? You can't tell that it's not perfect? Good. That means I don't have to explain to you why it's not perfect. 750SX. Check out the jet trim for the millionth time. Okay, it's finally done.
It's all completed, and this thing has been sitting for a couple of days, so now it's all nice and dry. Jacob got this custom jet trim from vintagejetski.com, and it's all for a 750 SXI, except for the pad here. I believe he had them switch it out for an SXR handle pad right here. So check it out, vintagejetski.com. They got some really cool stuff for your old school stand-up jet skis.
I hope you enjoyed the video. like, subscribe, share. No, don't. That's old. We don't even. No. Yeah. Josh thinks it's funny. And we don't even tell you to do that anymore. We could probably give you a heartwarming message on why you should subscribe, and probably some people would do it. But you know what? We don't. That was the thing we did in the old days, because back when you only got like 100 people watching your videos, you got to really try to get the people to come and watch, because like, and I don't know, it's hard to get a ton of people watching jet ski videos if not every single video you put up is a C-Rad or something. So
it's also tough when you have 100 subscribers to realize how crappy your videos are and how much nobody wants to watch it, and that's why you have 100 subscribers.
He's not wrong, yeah. So it's kind of cool. We used to have 100 subscribers. I think we got 100, like 10,000,000 now. Or, yeah, whatever it is. But we're actually really appreciative of everybody that kept with us, kept watched every episode.
I do have a bonus video for you guys today. You know what to do. Click into the description to get to that bonus video. Milo, do you like the jet ski?
I don't know. Maybe I should wrap up the video, huh? All right, fine.